Think of engine oil as your car's lifeblood. It lubricates, cools, and cleans your engine. But over time, it gets dirty and less effective. That's where oil changes come in. Neglecting oil changes can lead to poor fuel efficiency, overheating, and even irreparable engine damage. Plus, fresh oil reduces emissions, making your ride greener. Remember, oil changes are not an expense. They're an investment in your car's health and longevity. So, keep that oil clean and your car will return the favor with reliable performance.